Pinterest plus Etsy or another website. How do I join a Pinterest group bot in 2025 to sell more from Etsy or from another my website? Hi guys, with you Svitlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts. And before this, if you need help, write message under this video. I will add you to my Pinterest group bots, Etsy Beautiful Goods. And if you want to do this your own, click on this. Open Pinterest, add to search name of your bot, keywords of your bots, direction of your bots, and click all pins. And after that, click filters and bots. Click bots. You will receive bots. Click on bots that you like. Number 1, for example. Open this bot and find small circles. Click on these small circles. Circle number 1 is owner of Pinterest group bot. Click on this number 1 circle. Open account, Pinterest account, and after that, write message to owner of Pinterest group bot. For example, here, I following this owner, I add his to my friends, that's why I can click on contact and write message to this owner. But sometimes Pinterest group owner don't have contact. What you need to do, click name of your Pinterest owner, copy, click messages, new message. In new message, add name, paste name, click on the name, click next, type your message, after that, send your message, click on white arrow on red, and after that, this time, Pinterest group bot owner add you to this Pinterest group bot. Guys, if you have any questions about this, write under this video. If you need help with Etsy, Pinterest, watch my previous video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So many step-by-step tutorials for new Etsy seller, for new Pinterest seller. If you have any questions, write under this video. I will make for you new video answer. Guys, if you need much more sales from Etsy, use my list 500 Pinterest group bots for Etsy sellers. In this list, how to join Pinterest group bots 2025. Guys, if you need help much more about Pinterest account, how to promote your Pinterest account, Etsy shop on Pinterest without paid ads, use my ebook How to Use Pinterest for Etsy. It's for beginners. It's about SEO on Pinterest, how to promote your Pinterest account, any Etsy shop or another website without paid ads. If you have any question about Pinterest, Etsy, write under this video. With you Svitlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts. Subscribe guys and write your comments, write your questions under this video.